How to download and install Microsoft Excel for free. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can download the Microsoft Excel for free on your Windows. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's start on how we can do it. First of all, open up your browser. After opening up your browser, just go to Google and you're just going to type in Microsoft Excel on the search bar and hit the enter. After hitting the enter, you'll be getting a bunch of options. All of them are the official Microsoft Excel, so you may just choose any of the options in order to download it. So here you can see a bunch of options like from Microsoft officially and different kind of options. You may just go to Google Play. It is one of the most easiest way you can download it. After that, just hit that install and it should be downloaded on your device. Otherwise, you may just go to the Microsoft official one, which is the Microsoft Store. You may just go to Microsoft.com one, and here you'll be able to find sign up for free option. You may just use that option, or you may just go to this buy for home option and go on with the process. After that, you can see buy now. I think it is free, so you may just download it without any hesitation, and you should be able to use that Microsoft Excel. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to download Microsoft Excel very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.